We're here at FNB Creative Coffee Week and it is day 2. Day 1 was a wonderful success. We had the coffee community all together and excited to be here. It exceeded all our expectations and we are so happy to be here for day 2. Full program today. We've got the Barista Wage Calculator discussion, Colin Harmon's talk, and we're doing the announcement of the Shot in the Dark winner. It's been a 4-month roasting competition of some of the best roasters in South Africa, and we're announcing a champion today.
So today we workshop the Barista Wage Calculator. We are trying to build a tool where the labor of coffee can have a tool to assist them in determining their value based on their experience and their qualifications. That tool doesn't exist at the moment, but there was such a positive reaction, and I think the coffee community are excited to assist us in building this tool, and that will really change baristas' lives.
The winner of the Shot in the Dark 2019, Andre Bottomless Blessings.
Got